Welcome to our exploration of AI text generation, where we'll be comparing two popular models, ChatGPT and GoogleBard AI. These two are giants in the realm of AI language models, leveraging the power of machine learning to produce text that is strikingly human-like. ChatGPT hails from the innovative minds at OpenAI, while GoogleBard AI is a brainchild of the tech behemoth, Google. These tools have been developed with a common goal: to revolutionize the way we generate text, whether it's for creative writing, business communication, or even casual chats. The reason we're comparing them is simple. They represent two distinct approaches to the same problem, and by comparing them, we can gain a better understanding of the strengths and potential areas of improvement in each. As we move forward, keep in mind that the goal isn't to declare a winner, but to explore these fascinating tools more deeply. Now, we will dive into the detailed features and functionalities of both these models. Starting with ChatGPT, this AI model has some fascinating features. Its capabilities are wide-ranging and impressive. For starters, it's a master wordsmith, able to craft detailed essays, engaging blog posts, and even to-the-point reports. It's like having a professional writer at your fingertips, only this one doesn't need coffee breaks. But it doesn't stop there. Have a question? ChatGPT can answer it. It's like a walking encyclopedia, but with the added ability to understand and respond to context. Imagine having a conversation with a well-read friend who always knows just what to say. And if you're in a poetic mood, ChatGPT can even pen verses. It's been trained on a diverse range of internet text, allowing it to tap into a vast well of creativity. It's not just about spitting out facts, it's about producing human-like text that's engaging and, dare we say, inspirational. ChatGPT offers a wide array of uses, but how does it compare to GoogleBard AI? Now, turning our attention to GoogleBard AI, let's uncover its unique features. GoogleBard AI is a powerful tool that stands out with its ability to generate text in a variety of styles. From crafting witty one-liners to generating engaging long-form content, GoogleBard AI can do it all. It's like having a Shakespeare, a Hemingway, and a J.K. Rowling all rolled into one. But that's not all. GoogleBard AI also learns from user input, making it an ever-evolving tool. Each interaction you have with GoogleBard AI helps it understand and mimic your writing style better. It's like having a personal assistant that gets more efficient and effective the more you work together. In contrast to ChatGPT, GoogleBard AI focuses more on style and personalization. It's not just about generating text, but about creating a unique voice that echoes your own. With these features in mind, it's time to summarize our comparison. Having explored both ChatGPT and GoogleBard AI, we've seen their individual strengths and capabilities. Both these artificial intelligence models have been designed with the aim of transforming how we interact with technology, enhancing our daily lives in myriad ways. ChatGPT, a product of OpenAI, is renowned for its exceptional ability to generate human-like text. It's incredibly versatile and can be used for a wide range of applications, from drafting emails and writing articles, to tutoring in various subjects or even translating languages. It learns from a diverse range of internet text. But what really sets it apart is its ability to adapt its responses based on the input it receives. In essence, it's like having a conversation with a well-informed friend who can provide insights on almost any topic. On the other hand, we have GoogleBard AI, which is another powerful tool in the realm of text generation. It's designed to create high-quality content, and its strength lies in its proficiency for understanding context. GoogleBard AI is well-versed at maintaining the tone and style of a piece of writing, making it an excellent tool for content creators who need to generate substantial amounts of text while preserving a consistent voice and style. While both models have their strengths, it's important to remember that neither is objectively better than the other. The choice between ChatGPT and GoogleBard AI largely depends on what you're looking for in an AI text generator. If you need a tool that can adapt its responses based on the input it receives, ChatGPT might be your best bet. If you're looking for an AI that excels at maintaining tone and style, you might want to consider GoogleBard AI. In conclusion, both these AI models are revolutionizing the way we engage with technology, each in their own unique way. They're changing the landscape of AI text generation, offering tools that are not only highly functional, but also incredibly user-friendly. In the world of AI text generation, both ChatGPT and GoogleBard AI offer unique advantages. The choice is yours.